That was a big one. I wonder why do I yawn?
Ah, a yawning question. That's your amazing brain at work. Every question is an adventure. Sometimes your brain gets a bit slow and sleepy, like a tired puppy. Your brain needs to cool down. A big yawn pulls in lots of fresh, cool air. That big stretch also tells your brain, wake up! Time to be alert. But the silliest part? Yawns are catching.
Watch this!
When you see a friend yawn, your friendly brain says, I know how you feel. Me too.
I wonder, if I yawn, will someone else copy me? Here I go. Ah, woo! Wow, it worked!
See? Yawning is just your amazing body keeping your brain cool and friendly.